Nathan with Complete Water Solutions. This is our first topic on our video series of reverse osmosis troubleshooting. We're going to be covering low operating pressure. Now, most RO systems today are equipped with a low cutoff pressure switch, and those switches may look like this, or various other types of pressure switches. These switches are to help protect the RO system and shut it down on low operating pressure. This saves your pump from potential cavitation and other issues that can cost you a lot of downtime and money. The first thing in our series we're going to take a look at is the inlet valve and some of the root causes to those low operating pressures. One of the problems with low operating pressure can be related to the inlet feed water valve. This particular valve here is what we call an aquamatic valve, commonly known as an air diaphragm valve. Your inlet valve may be a butterfly valve, may be a ball valve, or could be a solenoid located in various spots in the RO system. Most commonly, it's either located before the filter housing or after the filter housing, but definitely before the feed water pump. Now, the first thing to do is check, make sure that you've got water going to the correct spots and locations to open and close the valve. After that, you can further diagnose it by pulling the valve apart and making sure that everything moves freely and nothing is restrictive or blocking. Now, one of the most common problems to low operating pressure is actually clogged or dirty pre-filters. And here's your pre-filter housing on this particular RO system. So next we're going to change our dirty clogged pre-filters. This concludes our series, Low Operating Pressure, and our video troubleshooting series. Stay tuned as we talk about permeate flow reduction. And as always, we didn't talk about everything regarding low operating pressure. So if you're still experiencing problems after going through this troubleshooting video or our troubleshooting guide, please feel free to contact us toll free at 855-787-4200. Or you can visit our website at www.complete-water.com and talk to one of our reverse osmosis specialists.